So hi, it's been a while. So my last name of the channel was David the Legend, and there will be newcomers watching this video, hopefully. One being named Lawson, hopefully. But so I might do gaming videos, just not in the goodest quality. On unboxing maybe. So some of y'all have been around for a while, like my cousin Brooke. Shout out to her. She last set I know had 500. But hopefully we can do this for a while until I can go on retirement again. So y'all don't like, don't subscribe. My thing. Well, why? I'm gonna make it short here in a while. Okay. Bye. Intro.